This is my Kindle Fire HD 8.9, but this is Subway Surfer. I'm gonna play. Just bear with me till it loads. Oh wait. This is Miami. See. Oops. This is advertising. I'm gonna play now. So, alright. I'm gonna see if I can beat my old high score. See, that was my old high score. Right there. I don't think I can beat it this time. But, anyway. I could just try. Sorry for the blurriness, but I'm doing this from my phone. In the Miami version, all the world tour settings are basically the same, but they're each of them have different views basically. Subway Surfers actually is a nice game. It's free, and it's like the best free game. It's like mainly, I guess grown-ups don't play because it's like kid themed, but I think it's better than Temple Run. Anyway, if you can, please like my video, and I'll make better videos than this one. I'm gonna die on purpose now. This is saving me. I have zero. Okay, but these are boosts basically, and you can skip missions here in the shop. The upgrades, you should get the coin magnet and jetpack because they're like the coin coin things. Alright. Anyway. Alright. Shop, you can get some free coins too by earn coins. But right now they have no videos available. Alright, this is my video. Please subscribe or like, and I'll see you later.